how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your TikTok app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Now go to Discover section and then just going to press the middle button. And there is this thing, if you can't go live right now, that you have 60 seconds and 15 seconds and photo section as well. What you want to do is go to profile on the right down corner. Now go on the upper right corner, tap on three lines and then select settings and privacy from the drop down menu. Now scroll down and report a problem, and you don't even need a 1000 followers for it. Here tap on live to expand it and select hosting live. Now select other hosting live issues and a new page will open up. Tap on no and then tap on need more help. And you will be redirected to this type of page where you can tell TikTok what issue you are having. So simply type your issue like this: Hi, I could go live in past, but now I can't. Fans would like to see me going live. Thank you. And then it's just going to send it. And after that, it will give you some options to click, or you can wait for 1 to 2 days and then you will be able to go live on TikTok. So that's basically how you can go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.